everybody. Welcome back to Destination Unknown again. Hey, I want to show you a couple things that I did to the trailer recently. I noticed when I pulled up to the campsite the other day, my footing for my power jack was gone. Lost it on the freeway apparently. And so I needed to find another replacement. I looked online, I could get one for like $100, but I didn't want to spend $100. So I went down to Ace Hardware and I just got a wheel for a lawnmower. And it's got I think a 3/4 inch arbor. So I got the bolt and just screwed it right into the bottom of that post, and it works excellent. And it was only $10. So thought you'd like that. Now the other thing is this little piece of tape, this little white piece of tape. Like when I'm backing my truck up to hook up, sometimes it's hard to see where I'm at because it's just black. So with my backup lights on, this thing illuminates, and it just helps, just one more little thing to help line up the trailer. The other thing I just did recently, I noticed that Christy and I would walk by the front of the trailer and we noticed a gas smell. And so come to find out that this hose was leaking. There's the culprit right there. So anyway, I just swapped out the hose. It was a piece of cake, new Teflon tape, and it was $31, which, you know, you got to have it. But just an easy solution. You don't have to replace this whole register, regulator, hose, and all that. It was just this. So something to keep in mind. Keep it simple. It's usually something really easy. Anyway, thanks a lot. We'll talk to you later.